struggling to make any money with network marketing, I'm about to share with you why LiveGood is the no excuses network marketing opportunity next. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a lot of people are joining network marketing opportunities. Network marketing opportunities is popping right now. All right. And, you know, it's a good reason for that because there are a lot of good companies now, a lot of good opportunities. There's a lot of people making money in network marketing like never before. But with all that being said, all right, there's a lot of people out there who kind of like network marketing. I tried it. You know what I'm saying? Like, but, you know, this, I tried it, but that, right? They got excuses why they couldn't make money in network marketing and whatever company they was involved with. And some of the excuses were things like it was too expensive. You know what I mean? I couldn't keep up with the auto ship and everything, right? Another excuse that a lot of people had was, you know, I found out, you know, the products really weren't that great. You know what I'm saying? The products were too expensive and they were like kind of crappy. You know, I got tired of promoting it. It just wasn't my thing. Then you got people talking about the comp plan. People's like, yo, I put in 500 people and I got a check for $8. That's whack. No, that's whack. That's why I quit that opportunity. This is another good excuse that I hear a lot. And that's, man, there was no kind of support system. Man, that company is like you get involved and it's like, psh, like I felt like I was all on my own. You know, I ain't had no direction. I ain't had nowhere. I don't know where to get nothing at. No information, no help, no training. That's why I quit. That's why I failed. Listen, all them excuses, you know, they're great. That's cool. You know, and some of them might even be valid. But here's the thing. If you get involved with LiveGood, here's a warning for you. You are not going to be able to use any of those excuses once you are a LiveGood affiliate. Now here's why. Let's take that first excuse that people have of, you know, it just costs too much. It costs too much to get started and it costs too much to maintain, you know, my ranking in other companies. Well, with LiveGood, right, it's a one-time $40 fee to become an affiliate. $40, right? And then it's just $9.95 a month to keep your LiveGood membership. So basically you're looking at a $10 a month online business opportunity. All right. So where there's other companies where, you know, it might cost you $100 to get started or $4.99 to get started, or, and I'm talking $499. And sometimes it even goes into the thousands to get involved with network marketing opportunities. LiveGood up front, $50 and then $10 a month. And let's go back to that second excuse that a lot of people have, and that is the products. They're just not feeling the products no more, whether it be they're just tired of promoting them or they found out that the products really aren't that great, right? Well, when it comes to LiveGood, the products are high quality products and they're affordable. And how you can tell is look at the labels of the products that LiveGood has. That right there should just tell you, you know, what kind of products we have, right? So, for example, you can take the magnesium supplement and you can look and you can actually compare it to other products, whether it be online, you know, different websites. You can go to Amazon. So for each product that LiveGood has, you can compare it to other products and just look at the labels. And that right there will tell you what kind of quality LiveGood products has. And another thing I like about LiveGood right now is they're always bringing out new products, where a lot of network marketing companies, they don't bring out products till every 6 months to a year, right? With LiveGood, they average about 2 new products a month, because even for people that's like maybe not feeling the products that's out right now, something is surely going to come out from LiveGood that you are going to love. That third excuse that a lot of people have when it comes to network marketing failure is the comp plan. You know what I'm saying? The comp plan was trash. Like I couldn't make no money with this. I just can't, right? Now when it comes to LiveGood, initially, right, and this was a lot of people was knocking LiveGood. They're like, wait a minute, how the hell can you make any real money off of a $9.95 monthly membership. How the hell is this possible, right? So a lot of people might look at the LiveGood comp plan and say, I got you. Can't make no damn money off that. But you're wrong, all right? Because there's 6 different ways that you can get paid in LiveGood. But if you want to know the majority of them, you can just look at the website and you can see for yourself. But there's one way, right, that is making some people in LiveGood thousands of dollars a month, and that is LiveGood's matching check bonus. All right, so for every personal referral that you bring in to LiveGood, you are going to earn a 50% check match bonus every single month. So if you bring somebody in and they start generating $1,000 a month from their matrix, you're going to be getting $500 a month. So I just said if that was one person. So you got to ask yourself, how many people can you bring into LiveGood? What if you had 50 personals? What if you had 100 personals, right? Now, obviously, let's be real. This network marketing, is everybody you bring in gonna make a whole bunch of money? Hell no, right? But it only takes, 5-10 people that really bust their ass for you to start making some serious monthly income. And then there was no support excuse, right? There's no support, man. Like, I like the company, but man, there was just no support, so I had to leave. Well, with LiveGood, you can get all the damn support you could possibly want, all right? Because 9 times out of 10, whenever you join a LiveGood team, each team got their own world, their own Facebook groups, their own Telegram groups, their own YouTube channels. But even if you joined a LiveGood team that didn't have no Facebook page or no trainings they offer, LiveGood, the company, offers trainings every Friday, right? There's a live webinar, and you could always watch the replay, where they give updates of the company, but then they always have at least 3 to 4 trainers on there that actually tell you how to promote your LiveGood opportunity, different ways to market, mindset, motivation. So you can get that every Friday. Even if your sponsor and the sponsor group is trash, you have no excuse, because you're going to get all the support that you need. I am 100% sure now you see that when it comes to LiveGood, there is no excuses why you can't be successful. None. You are ready to join LiveGood and jump on a team that's all about support and helping each other out. Click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad.